It's calm. It's a good morning, so hopefully we see some deer. We seen some deer on Monday. Just didn't get a shot at anything. Only seen the one buck. But he was cruising. He was after a doe, so he never came in. But hopefully today's a good day. Stick with us. Let's see what happens. was pretty exciting a little bit. Had them 2 does come in. They were really, really skittish. They spotted me the whole time. They never would let me get video of them, really. I couldn't move. They started to walk away, and I tried to get the gun. I was going to take a doe. I do got my doe tag, but I spooked them getting the gun. As soon as they left, I had a little buck that comes in all the time. He came in, and then right after that, 2 more little ones came in, and a couple does. Now, the one stayed out behind me. One came in. But so far, it's been a good morning. So hopefully they keep moving. Hopefully one of them bucks will come by. So stick with us. All right, well, that's going to wrap it up for this morning. I seen those 7. About 9 o'clock, a little after 9. Nothing else came in. A couple of them were does. I spooked. I was going to shoot that one. I spooked trying to get the gun up. They came in all skittish. So I don't know if they winded me or what, but wasn't too bad a morning. It's been pretty calm. It's cool. So hopefully this evening when we get back in our stands, maybe they'll be moving and we'll get something later. So appreciate you guys coming along this morning. Stick with us and let's see what happens this afternoon. So when you come out of lunchtime, out of your stand, and your pepperoni rolls have been in the truck and they're nice and cold, you throw them on the defroster. And then you chase it down with a nice Dr. Pepper. And it works because they are nice and soft. They have thawed out nice. So when in West Virginia, eat you a West Virginia pepperoni roll. All right, we have switched it up a little bit. Aiden went down and got on my tree stand for this afternoon hunt. I'm gonna go get in his. I've been seeing more deer down at my stand. So hopefully he can get a shot at a doe or buck comes through. So, but he's in, I'm getting ready to head in. So stick with us and let's see what happens this afternoon. All right, we're now set up in the stands. Got walked in here, got set up. It's about 1:30, so we got about 4 hours to sit here before it gets dark. So hopefully something comes in here this evening. Excited to see what comes through. So still a nice day. It's warmed up a little bit, a little breezy, but we're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, well, I have not seen anything, but my son just shot one. It was a doe, so I'm gonna get down. We'll go down there and see if we can't track it and find it. So stick with us and let's see what happens. Hopefully we can find her.
I just shot a deer. I know you probably wasn't expecting to see me. That was my shot. And Dad just pulled up. So we're gonna go track that deer now.
We got down here where Aiden's at. We're gonna go see if we can't find blood. Find where his deer's at, so stick with us. Huh? What's up? He just got out of his stand. I see his deer. He doesn't know I see it yet. So let's watch this. Come on up here. I see something. I don't know if it's her or not, but I see something up there. My eyes could be blinding me. Start walking over that way and look up to your left. Where? I see a white belly. I hope that's her. I still hadn't seen no blood. Where'd she run?
Kind of out that way. I thought she kept going right though. But
Well, she's double back if you look how she's
but
left.
at that point, my colorblind is saying my friend. You know. And remember you shot that one last year in my gun? You didn't find blood.
It took me a minute to find blood.
It took you a minute.
All right. We have still not found blood, but if you look up through there, you see a white belly. He ran 40 yards from where.
Hey. 2 for 2.
Heck yeah.
That's a pretty good shot.
Old 243 did the job. All right, walk up. That 243 done its job.
Yeah. Yeah, some people think it's a small round. It ain't that small. For like deer.
All right, go up there and give her a touch. Make sure she's expired. Nice doe, buddy. There's blood, but I do not see any blood. What do you think? Get in there and get her by the ears. Hold her up. Let's get a picture of you. Oh.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't get one before you.
All right. That's 2 out of that stand this year. Get down there behind her.
Dang, that is blood.
Yeah. Get down there behind her. Now the work begins. Look at that. Buddy got him a doe. Heck yeah. It's only a second ever deer. Now the fun starts, so.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright. Thank you, girl. Appreciate it. Alright, here we are. We are loaded up. As you can see, the doe back here in the rhino. Got him one finally. So that little 243 does the trick. So loaded up, heading to the processor. It was a good day. He's seen a lot of deer this evening from the time he got in the stand, which he was in my stand, that I hunted this morning. Had deer all on him. Made a good shot. She didn't run probably 40 yards. So good day. You excited?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
I don't gotta wake up early no more.
You don't have to wake up early no more.
Spoken like a true teenager. Appreciate you guys coming along with us. If you hadn't already, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, drop us a comment, let us know what you guys would like to see. We do enjoy bringing this stuff to you. We love getting out in the outdoors. But until next time, God bless.